Today's video will be all about the fan favorite Euro oil. I think that the reason the Euro oil is so incredibly popular is one, because of the incredible ingredients, and two, because of the versatility of this product. So let's get into a few Euro oil uses for your daily skin and hair routine. You know, when your hair is a little bit dry, it feels broken, damaged, maybe you're in between haircuts, you need a trim, your hair just doesn't have that natural shine to it. This is when you want to use the Euro oil. So the way that I like to use it is I apply a very small amount in my hand, a dime size at most. I like to apply it to the bottom third of my hair. You want to stay away from applying the oil all the way from the root to the ends when you have freshly shampooed hair, because this is just going to weigh your hair down and it will give you more oiliness than you're looking for. Another Euro oil use is to use it as a scalp treatment. I like to do it the same day I'm shampooing, about an hour or two before I shampoo. So you really want to focus on applying the oil right to your scalp. After you apply the Euro oil to your scalp, you can massage it in. The way that I like to do it is one of two ways, either using your fingers or you can use our scalp massager. Couple different tips here. You want to work in circular motions in one localized spot, and then lift the massager up and move it over to another section. Healthy hair growth has a lot to do with blood flow and lymphatic flow in the scalp. So the more that we can promote and massage it, the more consistent we are with this practice, the more we are optimizing our hair growth potential. So after you let the Euro oil sit in your hair for an hour or two before shampooing, it is extra important that when you shampoo in the shower that you do two different applications. We do recommend this anyways, but when you have that extra layer of oil on your hair, you probably will not be able to get away with the one wash technique. You'll just find that there's a residual layer in there, and also you're leaving some more cleaning potential in there because, like I mentioned before, oils are actually cleansers. So if you couple up the Euro oil with the shampoos, it's really power packed. Another way to use the Euro oil is in oil cleansing your face. Using just the oil really prevents you from drying out your skin in your facial cleansing routine. So the way that I like to do it, I have a few different rags. One of them is an organic hemp cloth. Another is a high quality washcloth. You can also use a high quality and gentle facial brush. I like to alternate them just depending on the day or what I'm feeling like. With each of them, you want to work in circular motions, cover every inch of your face. Similar to what we recommend with shampooing twice, you might find that when oil cleansing your face, especially if you have makeup on your face beforehand, you may find that doing two different applications separately, so one layer, wipe it off or brush it off, do a second layer, wipe it off or brush it off, that will ideally provide you optimum results, because the first time will help really power through that thick layer, and the second time the product will come into contact better with your skin, and then you will find deeper, more restorative results.